I just got laid off about 2 hours ago. I think I'm still shocked. Like, I just can't believe that it happened. There were absolutely no signs from the company that it was gonna happen.
I'm seeing these kinds of videos all over the internet, guys. People getting laid off. You hear it in the news everywhere. People are getting massively laid off. And it's super important to not rely on employers and corporate for your income and for your future. So how do you make sure you secure your future and stop putting yourself in these kinds of positions? Because that's just a horrible position to be in. I remember because it's happened to me. The best way to avoid that is to start securing your future by starting an online business selling physical products online. We know it. You shop online, I shop online, the world shops online, and it's $1 trillion industry. So if you can have just 0.0000001% of that pie, you could be making millions of dollars per year selling physical products online. So stop wasting time, fuck getting laid off, and go make that money online. Let's go!